Good morning, dear students. In today's lecture, we will talk about relation between mole and gram molecular volume or molar volume. See, we have seen the relation between mole and gram atomic mass. We have seen the relation between mole and gram molecular mass or molar mass. Now we will talk about relation between mole and gram molecular volume or molar volume. Now, what do we mean by gram molecular volume or molar volume? It is very simple. The volume occupied by 1 mole of gas is called molar volume or gram molecular volume. Its value changes with change in temperature and change in pressure. But when temperature and pressure are taken under standard condition, means at STP, standard temperature and pressure, the value of temperature and pressure remains constant, means we are talking about 273 Kelvin and 1 atm pressure. Then at this temperature and pressure, the volume occupied by 1 mole of any gas will always be equals to 22.4 liter or 22400 ml at STP. It can be 1 mole of carbon dioxide, it can be 1 mole of nitrogen gas, it can be 1 mole of oxygen gas, it can be 1 mole of carbon monoxide, it can be any gas, irrespective of the nature of the gas. If number of moles of the gases taken are same, then volume occupied at STP will always be equals to 22.4 liter or 22400 milliliters. So if we are taking 1 mole of carbon dioxide, it means we are taking 44 gram of carbon dioxide. We are taking 1 mole of nitrogen gas, it means we are taking 28 gram of nitrogen. If we are taking 1 mole of oxygen gas, it means we are taking 32 gram of oxygen. So for 44 gram of carbon dioxide, for 28 gram of nitrogen gas, for 32 gram of oxygen gas, the volume will always be equals to 22.4 liter. And it is at STP. If temperature and pressure are changed, then its value will also change. But here we will deal with STP only. At standard temperature and pressure condition, the volume occupied by 1 mole of any gas is always equals to 22.4 liter. By changing the mole, by changing the number of moles, you can calculate the volume of the gas. Suppose we are talking about 2 moles of any gas at STP, then volume will be just double of 22.4 liter, it will be 44.8. If we are talking about 0.5 moles of any gas at STP, then it will be half, it will be equals to 11.2 liters. In this manner, we can calculate the volume of gas for any moles at STP. We have to remember this value that at STP the volume is always 22.4 liter. Thank you. That's all in this topic.